water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain.
You don't want to do that right now, Mommy.
The spider climbed up the spout again. Yay! Send some mama. Cheese.
Joey.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Yay! You want more? You want more? So Daddy, we want more.
Good job.
Joey, the next one, ready? Ready, Papa? Here's a picture.
He's too interested in the camera.